Hi guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making kombucha. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we need purified water, a SCOBY, starter tea, sugar, and green tea. You want to start by boiling your water to brew your tea. My kettle only fit half of the jar of water, so that's what I did. Bring your water to a boil. Pour your hot water back into your jar. Add your sugar and stir until completely dissolved. Then brew your tea for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove your tea bags. Your tea will be too hot to add your SCOBY at this point, so cover and wait for your tea to reach room temperature. You can use cheesecloth, tea towel, or a coffee filter. Once your tea is completely cooled down, you can uncover and add your SCOBY and starter tea. So you may be wondering, what exactly is a SCOBY? Well, a SCOBY is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. It's what turns your tea into kombucha. Cover your tea and let sit under for 10 days to 2 weeks. Now it's time to wait. Don't forget to label the date. Stay tuned for the second fermentation video, coming soon.
Hehehe